Hi, we are talking about triggers today in Guild. So you have two flavors of triggers. Triggers that will allow you to activate your agent based on certain times, or triggers that will allow you to activate your agent based on certain events that happen in different applications. These are basically triggers that are activated by webhooks that you set in an integration that either you make or you find on the integration hub in Guild. So let's just get started and make a trigger. So triggers live in workspaces. I have this workspace right here, this Hacker News Digest Personal. This workspace basically is supposed to give me Hacker News articles that I might find interesting in the morning. And so to set that up, I'll have a morning trigger. You'll go into this triggers tab right here, and this is where you'll see all of the triggers that will be in your workspace. Right now, I have none, but I have deactivated a few, and so we'll just create a new one. And by the way, you can reactivate a trigger that you've made by going into the sidebar and activating it again, but we'll just create a new one. And like I said, these are the two flavors. You have your event-based ones that respond to webhooks, and then your time-based event triggers. So you can set the frequency. You can go with your basic cron expressions, choose monthly triggers, weekly. I think a daily one is good for now rather than these other ones or this minute of the hour trigger. We'll just set this to 6 a.m., a little bit before I wake up, and then we'll select this Hacker News Digest agent, which has access to Slack tools, so it will send me a message in the morning of this digest. And then over here on the right, you have this prompt section. If you're familiar with OpenClaw, this is sort of like the heartbeat area where you can choose what exactly you want to tell this agent at 6 a.m. So for this, we'll just say, focus on news related to AI agents. That should be good enough for now. So that's it. That is a created scheduled trigger. Like I said, there is the second flavor of triggers, these event-based triggers. Let's say I wanted my Hacker News agent to send me some message at any time when I talk to it on Slack. So we'll just go through our services right here. These are all the services that I have that work with webhooks. So Slack works with webhooks. This is perfect enough for now. I'll just select my personal Slack channel, and then anytime our app is mentioned on Slack, we'll react to it. So we'll just select an action. We'll react to all actions on that agent in Slack, and then have this activated, this Hacker News Digest agent activated. So that will be our second trigger. If I wanted to talk to on Slack, it would then send me that message on Slack about all AI agent news. So that is it for now. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.